Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Hi, my name is Femke, and in today's video I wanted to share with you how I made this black and yellow kind of like honeybee inspired design. It's really easy to do, really simple. I actually had a couple of things going on while creating this design that actually a little bit like messed up the design. As you can see on my ring finger, I had some polish like leaping over my stickers. I had like cats running around, wobbling my table. I had to cut out so many of the footage, like so many minutes actually, but yeah, I managed to actually create and edit a normal type of video. It's a little bit of a shorter one, but I know that there are a lot of people out there who actually really like the shorter ones. So yeah, the first thing you want to do is of course start with clean nails, apply your base coat, and I have applied an opaque layer of a black nail polish. It's totally up to you what brand you want to use. I actually used a black stamping polish because those are usually like one coater polishes. And then I am going to use this yellow stamping polish. Again, a stamping polish because they are really opaque and a little bit goes a really long way. But this is one of those more warmer yellow tones that are perfect to use in this honeybee design. It kind of reminds me of honey as well. Of course, it is more opaque than natural honey actually is, but I thought it looked really cute. And I also just showed you like a minute ago the stickers that I wanted to use in a gold color. I actually got those stickers from Born Pretty store. The stamping polishes I use in this video are by Born Pretty store as well. If you want to, you can use my 20% discount code, which is FEM20. If you're curious about that, you can just use it anytime you want to buy something from their own website. I link it in the pinned comment down below as well as in the description box, so if you want to use it, you're welcome to do so. But I'm just going to apply a little bit of this yellow stamping polish onto the thumb, the ring finger and the pinky as well, just to kind of like represent honey, and I just think it looks really cute. I always love black and yellow together. I think that's a beautiful combination. So yeah, that is actually what I'm doing. As you can see here, I had quite a lot of product on my brush, and looking back at this design, I actually felt like it would have been better to just apply two thin layers of this polish, but I wanted to do a really quick design. I didn't have much time actually recording this video either, but looking back on it, it would have been better if I just applied two thin layers. It still is a little bit patchy, but I really love that because like normally when you look at honey, it isn't like fully opaque either. It's kind of translucent, and I actually really like that. But for the little stickers, I just decided to get a couple of the gold ones. I got this pack from Born Pretty store, as I mentioned. The stickers are really thin, and I love that because sometimes you have like nail stickers and they're quite thick, and once you've added the top coat, you can still see the little like edges or the rim of the sticker, and it's just not a pretty sight. These stickers are thin enough that you can actually apply a normal layer of top coat and not see the edges peeking up off the nail, if you know what I mean. So yeah, that's actually really nice. So I just picked them up from the little like sheet with some tweezers. I actually have these pointy tweezers. I really love using them. The only downside is that you sometimes can accidentally like poke into your maybe still tacky nail polish and actually leave a dent. So that is something I would like suggest to keep an eye on. Just be careful when using these pointy ones because you can easily just damage your entire nail polish like surface. You can damage your nail as well. But I'm just going to add a couple of different stickers from this little sheet. It's like so cute. I love bee nail art. I love bees. I think it's really important to preserve our bees here on the planet as well, because we all know that there are not that many bees left in the world, and I feel like if you have a garden or a balcony or anything like that, just put plants and flowers on there that attracts bees. Like bees don't hurt you, they don't harm you unless they feel threatened. So if you don't mess with them, they don't mess with you. Like it's as simple as that. And we actually need bees to keep our like environment going and just make sure that the world is a happy place and we can continue living here for like thousands of years. So yeah, how do you feel about bees and bugs and all that stuff? Like usually I'm not a big fan of like bugs, but bees don't really like bother me. I think they're really pretty actually. And quite cute as well. Like I always loved bees and bugs like that. I'm not a big fan of cockroaches or anything like that, because once I was in Thailand, I've been there like 2 times before, and the cockroaches were so big. I had never even seen a cockroach in my life before, but they were like the size of my feet. It was insane, and I was like pretty much scared of them. Like I'm a girly girl. You guys know I can be kind of tomboyish as well, but I would pick up any bug, but not a cockroach. Like, ugh, yuck. I don't know. They're creeping me out. But yeah, that was actually already the entire design. Like, this video is kind of rambly, but it is a shorter video anyway, so that doesn't really matter to me. I really hope you like this design. Of course, if you have placed all of the stickers and the yellow polish in place, or at least where you wanted it to be, you can just cap it all in with a layer of top coat. As I mentioned, the stickers are quite thin, so you don't see the edges like popping off of the nails. And yeah, that was already it. I really hope you liked it. It's really easy to do. You don't need any like nail art ninja skills or anything like that, so I really hope you will recreate this yourself as well, and you can just let me know that through Instagram. But thank you so much for watching, and as usual, I love you so much, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos.